Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your outfit in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to unlock this feature. Wait, let me go to the dress up. And you need to unlock this feature, save as preset. Okay, and if you want to unlock this feature guys, you just need to level up your DG member level. And for your information, my level now is 35. I think you can unlock it when you reach level 30, or I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but now my level is 35, I mean 34, sorry. And I'm going to go back to the dress up menu, and I'm going to change my outfit. I'm just going to pick a random outfit guys. I'm going to select, oops, wait, the dress. Okay, and for the shoes, I'm gonna choose this one, and for the sock, okay, and I'm going to click on save as preset, and you can choose either new preset or override current preset, and I'm going to choose new preset, and I'm going to name it wait, okay, let's just name it school. Oops, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and now the preset has been added, and if you want to access the preset, just click on this menu, and I have a 4 custom set or outfit. Okay guys, and that's how you can save outfit in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.